Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a material swap the manual way. So first you want to do, let's pretend this cube is your model. Want to duplicate it, hide the original, and go to animation, hit create. We're going to call it to green. Then you hit record and get your green material or whatever material you're swapping to in there like that. Move one frame forward. And now we want to do the reverse to red. So we're gonna, before we hit record this time, we're gonna put that in there, then hit record, drag the red in there. And the 2 frames are the second frame. And that's that done. You can delete your duplicate now, show the original, and then you go to the FX, go to parameters, hit bool, and do colors slash or do matte slash color. You do the slash so it puts it in its own category. Then go to layers. You want to drag your 2 red one first, and then to the green one first, or second. Make a transition and do the same to the other one. And on this arrow, hit the settings, 0 on that, and make sure it's on, like there's only one on this FX, so it's going to go to that, but you'll have a drop down and choose mattes and color. And this one true. So on the second one, what you can actually do is, on the first one you did, come up here, right click, copy, and hit paste. And you on this one, it'll do all the same settings, but this one you want false. Next, you want to go to, oh, you gotta make sure you copy this as well. So copy that, go to your parameters. We can just delete these, paste in that one, make sure it matches what you did in FX color, which is a bool, and you can sync it and save in the menu. You gotta add it as well. So we'll do to green, or whatever you'd like to call it. It doesn't really matter, but make sure you do toggle and your boolean, and there you go. You are done. You are good to go. Thanks so much.